What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Salvadorian Boy. This video is brought to you by Purple Slice. If you go to purpleslice.com, type in Salvadorian Boy, your shipping will be free. So this time we tried the Purple Slice feather leather, and I don't know if you can tell how badass it looks with the sun. So I'm getting that awesome lighting from the sun, and damn, I can't say enough how awesome the jacket feels. It feels smoother, if that's even a word. And then the boots, I got the camera on the bottom. Look down below, and the boots are looking fly, man. Look at that. I thought that these boots were gone, like literally, and I'm just impressed with the product. The better leather brought the boots back to life. I got caught in the rain, and this is when I was wearing the boots. And it was just a huge downpour. I left them in the garage to dry, and I completely forgot about them. This had been like maybe 2 months, 3 months ago. And because of how ugly they looked, I didn't want to wear them anymore. So we tried the better leather, and it looks really, really awesome. What I did was clean it off with lightly with water and a sponge to take off all the dirt and grime off of it. I did it on both sides. The back doesn't really matter, but I did the back since, you know, you don't really get dirt from the back. But I cleaned the back as well. So we did that, and then I applied the Purple Slice. Now, Purple Slice, the packet that I got from John at Purple Slice was the Purple Slice, and I got some microfiber towels. On his website, it recommends using the orange microfiber towel with the Purple Slice better leather. So that's what we did. I applied the Purple Slice, and you can tell instantly. I don't know if the camera can catch it. You guys let me know. You guys be the judge of it, if you guys can see the difference. And you don't feel any greasy. I'm touching it right now, and it's not greasy at all. The point of better leather is not to seal the leather so it doesn't crack. A lot of other products leave your jacket oily, leaving it really, really nice. But those things seal your leather, and it starts to crack after a while. With what Purple Slice has been able to come up with, it does not damage the leather at all. And obviously you see it on the boots. It pretty much brought it back to life. And on the boots, I did the same thing. I cleaned it off lightly with the sponge, took all the dirt off, and I applied the better leather. Now, my expectations weren't as high. I didn't think it was going to work at all, to tell you the truth, because to me, the boots were had already gone bad, like to the point that I was going to throw them away. So I didn't really have high expectations. But as soon as I put the better leather on it, dude, completely changed my opinion on it. So you guys can see it in the video, the little clip that I'm about to put on here. And yeah. So I said to myself, if it works on my vest, if it works on my boots, I tried it on my wallet, I tried it on my gloves, I tried it in the Jeep's dash, which it left it looking really, really good. But yeah, it works on a whole bunch of things, vinyl and leather. So guys, give Purple Slice better leather a try. You will not be disappointed. And remember, if you go to purpleslice.com, type in Salvadorian Boy at checkout, your shipping will be free. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for giving me the thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you will know every time that I upload. Don't forget, you guys are awesome. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Thanks, Purple Size. Later. Huge shout out to my brother Roger for recording the video.